Welcome to the video alarm verification service for your account. This sample video will guide you in responding to an actual alarm emergency using our video verification service. When a video alarm verification response is needed, our central station will send you a verification request message similar to this. To view the alarm, tap on the link in the text message. You will then see a screen that allows you to confirm that our alarm monitoring center sent this request. To view and verify the alarm event, tap to continue. Please note that this event can be viewed simultaneously by multiple contacts for your account. When you view the alarm video, please ensure you take the time to review the event information carefully. You will see an option to either call police or disregard the alarm, which can be selected by you or any of the account contacts. When a selection is made, it is sent immediately to our central station operator, and they will proceed with your selection. While a selected response is visible to all contacts, it cannot be changed by you or anyone else using this app service once a selection is made. Allowing our central station to send you a video of an alarm and engage you during the decision-making process helps ensure an accurate response. We can minimize delays, false alarm dispatches, and improve the police response time for your account. It's a pleasure to serve you and provide video alarm monitoring for your account.